Okahey, BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO Nij, Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and with me today, as always, my partner in crime, the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Kakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What should our Ojibwe word of the day be?
Well, it's August, so we could tell them what the word for August is.
Oh, that's a really good idea. All right, the Ojibwe word for August is, but of course, we call this time of year the, wait, did we do this already?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you're right. The Ojibwe word for August, Manumanike Jesus. Manumanike Jesus. It is wild rising moon. Manumanike. You know, like Manuman? I mean, I know you do.
I know, just tell the listeners.
Okay. Manuman is, wild rice. And then we say Manumanike. I'm wild ricing. And then Jesus is moon. But it's also sun. But it's, whatever. Manumanike Jesus. Wild rising moon. And that is the Ojibwe word of the day. You want to add anything to this, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good. Manumanike Jesus. Wild racing moon. All right, back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
All right, good enough. Well, you have been watching. You have been watching anything that's on the radio. I just want to say, Miigwech Bizandawiyeg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Hoa.
Hoa. All right. That was a good one.
Yeah, that's not too bad, huh?
BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
and I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day.
Wate Bugagizis. Wate Bugagizis. Leaves changing moon.
That's right. And that's what we call this time of year. That's what we call September.
Wate Bugagizis. The moon of the changing leaves. Yeah. I don't know. What else?
I saw something, a meme the other day.
Oh, really? What'd you see?
There was a picture of a tree, and it was changing colors, and it said, "This is just to say, or this is just to remind you how beautiful letting go can be."
Oh, wow. That's really deep. All right, I like that. Okay, well, hey, just want to say, Miigwech Bizandawiyeg. Thank you for listening.
And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha. And I will see you again. Higawabamin.
Minawa. Oh, what?
Hoa.
All right, one take.
One take. Get it out. We're pros now.
Okahey, BOOZHOO Nish, Anishinaabe Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Do you want to tell them, sweetie?
Yeah, sure. Today's Ojibwe word of the day, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO. Falling leaves moon. You know, last month was Wate Bagagises.
Oh yeah,
Leaves
huh?
changing moon, and that's what the Anishinaabe call September. Mm-hmm. And so the leaves change, and then when they start to fall, we say BOOZHOO. Falling leaves moon. And this has been
Your Ojibwe word of the day.
I am Nana BOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha. And I will see you again.
Giga min Minowa. Hoa.
Hoa! All right. Kind of a short one today.
I know, but
Okahey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this here, as always, is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day is, geez, we should have talked about this, huh?
Yeah, we didn't really plan the show.
What do you think our Ojibwe word should be today?
How about Noongoom today?
Yeah, okay. Tell you what, we'll do a 3-for-1 today. Today's Ojibwe words of the day. Today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So in Ojibwe Moan, if you want to say today, you say Noongoom.
Noongoom.
That's right. Noongoom today. And then tomorrow, Wabung.
Wabung.
Tomorrow, Wabung. And then yesterday, Bijanago, all my troubles seem so far away. And Bijanago, yesterday. So you got Noongoom, Wabung, and Bijanago. And it's today, tomorrow, and yesterday. All right. You got anything you want to add to this, sweetie?
No, that was pretty good. Noongoom, Wabung, Bijanago. Today, tomorrow, and yesterday.
All right. Hey, why don't you send us out then?
Okay. Well, I just want to say, Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this has been Nana BOOZHOO. Oh. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minowa, Haowa.